all jokes aside, this video was actually really fun to make. I know you're saying, what jokes? Well, welcome back to me doing makeup for once. My best friend asked me to teach her how to do makeup, and this was the result. I actually found it really funny and kind of hilarious because we kind of went back to high school days with emo makeup for me because I can't say I don't do that anymore because I do, but I don't do it as often anymore. So this was really fun to do with her, and I'm glad that I got to teach her something new. Yay!
So, she has requested I show her how to do makeup. We've done this in the past, but with special effects makeup because this weech didn't wear any.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go full-blown high school emo. I'm actually gonna start with eyeshadow. Also, like, the only instruction I was given was black.
Yes, it's black. Oh.
Are you sure that's eyeshadow?
Eyeshadow. Is this the first thing on there says eyeshadow?
Oh, it's the color tattoo one, that's why. So yeah, pretty much just get a base down like me. So for the base, I haven't done tutorials in forever. So for the base, I like to kind of start at the crease. Do you know what that is?
I know what a crease is.
Okay, thank God. And then I kind of
as an oh Jesus moment.
And for me, a lot of times with like black eyeshadow stuff, yours is actually pretty pigmented. I like going over with a powder to set it and forget it. But also so I can like blur the edges a bit more.
Yeah, you're not to show me how to blend it because I want to blend mine too.
Do you have the black eyeshadow powder? Well, you can use mine. I'm just like, to see that versus this. Here's the mirror.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's a little hard.
Thank you, Leech.
Now I'm gonna wait for her to play catch up real quick.
I'm gonna need you.
So I can show you how to blend it out like this.
How fucking supposed to do this with a mirror right in front of your goddamn face?
I'm gonna go ahead and clean up under my one eye.
Yeah.
Here's what you do. You look straight ahead, angle it.
You look straight ahead and you angle it. That's what you fucking sound like. Slap me in the ass and see what happens.
Okay. Which side do you use? It's good. You have way smaller tits than I do.
I'm Asian,
I
bitch.
know. I'm just like, it's good.
She's fucking like frying my ass over here.
I'm not. I'm just making.
Racist!
I'm gonna get canceled. I've already been canceled. Well, like, look at me talking like I actually have followers.
When you get canceled before you even get started?
Me.
See, I like to line my waterline.
See, I'm gonna do that too. Where's my water go? I just like doing this because it helps frame, because after I water or tight line, it's like, I look, you know.
You arguing on bitch?
Controversial. Okay, and then
I'm about conspiracy palette, more like controversy palette. I have that one. I didn't know that was a thing.
it's the new one.
Controversy. I thought it would be all flicker.
Blush.
Blush.
I do blush first. Okay. You know that blush is a good one for your skin.
I had my grandma help me pick it out.
Okay.
I was like, be honest. You think this is gonna make me look like a fucking, like, a hooker? And she was like, no.
Disclaimer, I hate wearing blush, so I'm going over the top after I teach her how to put on normal blush because I don't wear blush. Because I already look like I'm blushing 24/7. So I would take your fluffiest.
How do I open
Drop it. No,
I'm
it's
so,
down here.
I'm so surprised that it didn't fucking like smash into a million pieces.
Me too.
Okay, I recently watched a video where they did. I think it. Oh my God, beat the devil out of it.
Mine is super pigmented. It's gonna ruin my face.
Where they did like e-girl blush, where it's like really close to your eyes.
That's what I do.
You do? Okay, so
Is that what you want?
so we're on the same page.
Okay. Yeah.
That's
so
what I saw,
do
and I
mine-
thought it looked cute.
Okay,
so
I do
yes.
mine over my nose too. So what
Me
I
too,
do
yeah.
is I concentrate the most on my nose first. So
Uh-huh.
I take my blush and I swipe, like, kind of just like in a circular motion until my nose gets all cute and cherry. Yeah, no, you don't want to breathe in during that. And the reason I do it the most on the end is because I also put highlighter on the end. But you don't want a lot of blush on there because too much can become an issue real fast. And then I like.
Is that
taking it-
visible?
I think you need a stronger blush.
If you can say no.
It's not visible. But then what I like doing is kind of putting it circular motions, and I start going off the nose. So you see how that's
Yeah.
versus the other side.
Okay, now that's definitely right. And I do so all the way up. So I see kind of this. So you know, it looks like yeah, that's not right. I remember I meant it. Also, sort of including the top of the bridge nose, but I leave the nose on the end because as you build it up as well, it will like build more. Yeah, that's what I started with. So I did it together. I should be trying to make it more. Yeah.
And then for me, because I do this with my highlight too, I bring mine all the way like up.
Oh yeah.
And blend, well, it's super blended out here. So, you know, as I'm bringing it up, I blend it out and I blend it towards my hairline because I have no hair there, so it's obvious when my makeup stops. But yeah, no, I blend it up here.
Okay.
Because
Thoughts? Can't see very well.
I wish you had a different color.
Why?
That color's more for like a natural blush. You can still tell you're wearing it, but like versus like the over the top.
Well, yeah. Well, I don't want it to be super. I want like the
Okay.
style of blush to be over the top. But do I want my face to actually be like super red? No, because I think that would make me look like a painted lady. You make it work. I can't.
I'm a whore. You heard it here.
Hey, you make it work though.
I know. That's a fan brush. It's broken because I broke it.
It's broken because I broke it.
No, I broke it.
Oh, I was like.
Like my blush and everything. So I'm just gonna go back in with my blush brush because I can't find the one I normally use. So for a subtle highlight, you want to don't get too much on that one. Top it off and then highlight the cheekbones. So I typically, when I do subtle, you know, just very little, and I usually bring it up towards the eyebrow. And see, this is why I wait to do my eyebrows. Because then it gives you a little bit of a shimmer all throughout versus like hard line. Yep. I usually, for me at least, because I like making my nose look smaller, I put a lot at the biggest, bulbiest part, and then I do a light line going up. And then I like to do it above my lip and below my lip.
Oh, okay.
So
I'm gonna do a step that she isn't gonna do. I'm gonna accentuate my natural beauty marks.
oh yeah.
Bitch, you cute. Ooh. Ooh.
And now because we're doing e-girl makeup, I'm just gonna add some flourishes. Hi, I'm 16.
I'm emo as fuck. But I also like to use TikTok. Why does it look like I put blush on my chin even though I didn't?
Because you just have a pink face. Oh yeah, and do setting spray at the end, but because I'll probably be taking this off in 5 minutes, I'm not.
I'm not gonna be taking it off in 5 minutes though.
Because you still emo. Don't open your mouth.
It tastes salty.
It just watched this girl open her mouth to put the fuck.
It tastes salty, just so everybody knows.
No.
Dude.
Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe, like if you want to, do what you want to. Is your life, you can do what you wanna. Just don't do something illegal, cause yeah, no, that's not cool. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I had so much fun hanging out with my friend and teaching her some stuff about makeup. Had to cut quite a bit because either we weren't talking or it was just like me making dumb faces because she was taking forever, which is understandable. She doesn't know much about makeup. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!